Okay guys, so welcome back. Right here with me, we got a special car to introduce to you guys. But we are joined with none other than Kamal, once again. Bro, Kamal, tell us man, what is the name of this car? It says JETOUR...
Okay, this is the JETOUR VT9.
Okay.
So in another word, you can say there's a 5+2 7-seater car.
Okay.
And one of the most affordable and one of the most pretty looking or rugged looking.
Yep.
7-seater at the moment in the market.
7-seater, guys. So you gotta check out the interior, man. I saw it earlier. And it looks really good, man, dude. I like how you can fold the center seats all the way to the front.
Correct.
But before we get right into the side, man, what are we looking at the front right here? I love how aggressive this thing is.
We'll go through the overview first. Okay. Outside of the car, the exterior look of the car. So we'll start from the front. So as you can see, the design itself will speak a lot about the car. So as for the light itself, with the sharp edges finishing, and as for the front grille, it's even more stylish.
Yep.
So whenever you drive on a hot sunny day or whenever car light reflects from this,
it definitely will stand out, man, dude.
Exactly.
I also like how they have the red lining at the side right here. You know, very sporty.
This red line will come together. It comes with the car with all the color configuration.
Nice, man.
And you should check out this daylight LED.
So this DRL actually turns on also as well whenever you are driving. So your signal turn indicator is also maybe could be down here lah. The turn indicator should be this lah. Damn cool, man. Or even there. Nice. So what wheels are they using, man, dude, for this side?
So wheels are 19 inches.
19 inch,
Yes, wheels are 19 inches.
Okay, cool. The tire brand is called...
this one, at the moment, we got two batch of tire. First will be the Silute.
Okay.
And another one will be at the back. You can check. That's the GT tire.
Oh, GT tires. Okay, so you do come with two types of different tires lah. Okay, cool.
Brands.
So this is a gloss black wheel. Very nice. 19 inch, yeah?
Yes, 19 inch.
Wow. Very cool, man, dude. So the side right here, I noticed you got the red lining to match the front also as well.
So the one is to give it even more rugged look, I would say, more rough.
Rough and aggressive kind of
rough and
feel.
aggressive.
Car got blind spot also as well, very nice.
Yes, comes with blind spot indicator.
Ambient lighting.
The interior.
Ambient lighting.
Ambient lights over here. Yeah, and as well over here.
Very nice, man, dude. Bro, you want to have a seat, man, dude, inside and show people how does it feel like to sit in the front passenger seat.
Suggest you to sit and feel the seat.
Because it's very soft.
And let me know how you feel personally.
Because it's very soft and you feel it's good, right?
Yeah.
Damn cool, man. I love the dashboard finishing. This sort of like texture-like finish, and then suddenly it goes all the way flat. Very nice. I like the red lining on the inside. It continues from the outside.
Yes.
Damn cool. You got your speakers right here also as well. This finishing is superb with some red stitching. I think on the seats also you have tons of red stitching as well.
Yeah, lots of red color stitchings with red color lines, make it to look even more sportier.
Nice, man, nice. So the back part
for the interior of the front, and this will be the second row.
Okay, cool, man. You want to jump right in, man, and tell
obviously,
and show the audience how does it feel like to be sitting here. So that one later we can adjust it.
Yeah. So this is how it will feel, and this is just one step. So you can go even more front, 1 and 2.
Wow, you can really recline.
Yeah.
Damn.
Let's say you're going for a long drive.
Yep.
I think I suggest you to sit like this and enjoy the drive. Let someone else drive the car for you.
Nice, bro. Nice. I like the view from the back part also as well. Oh yeah, you do get a glass roof.
Yeah, that's the whole point, bro. I just reclined the seat just to show you what you can. What you can look at whenever like your driver is driving the car for you.
Cool, man, dude. I like it. So the wheels at the back part right here, these are staggered tires or?
No, bro. These are not staggered. Both are all for same sizes.
Okay, so 19 inch even for the back as well. Still also you do get your Ceylon tires.
Ceylon, yes.
Or either the GT lah.
Or else the other batch will be the GT tires lah.
I like it, man, dude. Very nice. So how about the back part, man, dude? What's happening right here? Wow, looking really aggressive, man, dude.
You can see the entire tail light is connected from the other end to the other end.
I like it. I like how it's coming out right here and going in, then cutting down. Very, very stylish.
And during night time when you drive, the whole panel lights up.
Lights up. I love it. So turn indicators should be somewhere around here.
Yes.
I think signal indicators.
On the side lah, with a small line.
Very nice. 360 camera.
Yes, car comes with 360 camera.
Beautiful. Two, how to say, exhaust on both sides?
I would say the exhaust is at just one side.
Okay,
this one
but
is more on a cosmetic
feeling. I like it. Not bad. So VT9, you got the badging right here. Maybe we can open up the boot and show them how's the space like.
Obviously, power boot.
Yeah.
We are already in 2026.
Yep.
So I don't think there's a point for you to move for the limit.
It's all the way there. Cool. Okay, so these are with the seats. Guys, you mentioned earlier was what again? 5 plus 2.
5 plus 2. Why plus 2? These last 2 seats, right? If you're not going to use it, you just can fold it back and then you'll get extra space on the boot.
Cool. So you can fold it down, but we got to adjust the front seat a little bit further. So, hang on.
I was enjoying my seat just now.
Okay, cool.
So let me do it. You see these 2 setters, right? So this one is to control the other seat.
Cool.
And this is to control the left side.
It's very nice, man. There's a lot of boot space. Now you can also fold down that row.
Yep.
Maybe you want to show them how does it look like, dude? You know.
So once you fold the front seat, you
Damn,
get
bro.
this much of space.
That is a lot
And
of
you
space,
can
man, dude.
attach it.
There is a lot of space, guys. Check it out. That one is not even folded yet, but it does look very, very spacious. Wow, man. I like it, bro. Very nice.
Alright.
Power, man, dude. Looking good. Looking good. I like it.
Isn't
Super
it
huge.
more than enough for
A lot.
person to sleep in the car?
Definitely.
Let's say you
Definitely
go
for
a
camping and things like
or
that. Yeah.
stargazing or what.
True.
You won't get lie inside, just put on a comforter,
Yep.
then
Then
just
can-
open the sunroom, then stargaze, man.
I like it, man. Bro, let's take out the driver's seat, man, dude. What's happening right here? Looking really sporty,
There
man.
you go.
Dude. Power seat as well
So
On
have
this
you
side.
noticed the seat is actually on the driver's side?
Yep.
It's a easy entry, easy exit feature.
Easy entry, exit. Cool.
Same like those high-end premium cars.
Yep.
So, but this one we give importance to the driver, and you get only on the driver's side.
Nice, man, dude. Bro, I like the sport pedals and the the brake and the accelerator. Looking really good, man.
Very sporty, right?
Yeah, very,
With
very sporty, man.
aluminium cover finish on top of it.
Cool.
So it will reduce the wear and tear of the pedals as well. Yep.
True.
Apart from that, so let's go to the cockpit.
Yeah, bro, I like the paddle shifts, man. For up and down right here.
Yep, it does comes with few types of shifting. You have here the pedal shift,
Yep.
and you can use the knob to
The gear knob.
drive it as a normal auto car.
Cool, man.
And as well, you can
Go
push
into
it to
manual.
the side, and then you can
Ah.
play auto manual on the
So
knob.
you just tap it. Okay. I saw it.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Nice. Bro, how many driving modes?
Drive modes, you will get 2 drive modes. One is
driving modes.
Eco, another one is Sport.
Okay. Cool. Eco and sport lah. But there's comfort also as well. Maybe not. No.
Comfort will fall on the
Eco side lah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I want to tell you one more thing, bro. Where's the control panel for the seat?
Sorry.
Yeah, man.
Missing already. I
So
was like,
it's not
when I
here,
when I
right?
first opened up the door, I was like, hey, why? So clean, is it? Then I saw it right here.
It's
damn
right
cool,
here,
man.
and then you can set your seat, and then adjust the seat height.
Yep.
And then as for the normal setup, and then comes
Memory
with memory seats for 3 memories lah.
I like it, man, dude. Beautiful, man, dude. Bro, how many colors does it come with again?
You can get them in 4 colors. So the one you're looking at, it's called the tech grey,
Tech
which is
grey.
kind of chalk grey kind of color.
Nice, bro.
And then you have another type of grey, and then another black, and one more is white.
Nice, bro. I like it. Very cool, man, dude. Okay, bro. So maybe we can come to the front and then we can end the video by showing you guys how beautiful the exterior looks with the ribbon on top, man, dude. This place right here is all the way in Cheras, JETOUR.
Oh, we are in JETOUR Sungai Long.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, if you'd like to find out more about these cars, that one is called the JETOUR Dashing.
Just the dashing. That is the T1.
T1.
This
And
is
then
the VT9.
VT9. Is there any other model that's missing from here?
Yeah. There's a T2, but
T2?
it's parked at the out there. That's our test drive unit.
I love that color, man, dude.
Yep.
That one looks damn cool,
That
man.
car literally now don't need a introduction. Bro. Everybody literally knows the car.
I love that car, man, dude. Okay, cool, man, dude. So guys, if you'd like to find out more, do head down all the way here to Cheras. Visit Kamal. He and his team are all here waiting for you guys. So if you'd like to find out more, do check out this place right here. And they'll be more than happy to assist you guys further. So thank you, man, Kamal, dude, for your time.
Thanks, bro.
Really
Thanks
appreciate
for your time,
it.
man.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys here as well.
Take care, man, dude. Bye-bye.